Hello and welcome to Trading Made Simple, where you will learn how to read the market, manage risk, and build a structured approach into trading. In this video, I'm going to break down everything that you can expect from this course and what you will learn and the four-stage roadmap to where you are, to where you will be at the end of this entire course. So I'm going to talk about three things. I'm going to talk about the four-stage roadmap, what you will learn in this course, and what you should expect, basically. So my name is Mustafa and let's jump right into it. So the trading roadmap that I'm gonna talk about in this course is number one, foundation. So we are right now here in the foundation part, getting set up. And number two is reading the market. After you have everything set up, we want to know what we're watching in the market, the charts, how they move, how they react. And number three, after we know what we're watching, after we know how to read the market, we need to find something specific to look for on a consistent basis so we can apply or take a trade or sell a trade from that strategy that we're using. And at the end, risk, psychology, and consistency, right? If we don't have risk properly, if we don't have the right mindset and the right psychology, and if we don't apply that with consistency, we will never be able to build a house. So I put a house right here as a metaphor. The metaphor is that if you master all these things, at the end, you will have the skill or the ability to create a generational structure. Because you've seen houses. When a house, some houses can stand for 200 years and 100 years. That's what I want to give you. I'm going to give you a skill that could stand in the test of time, that you can be using that skill as much as you want, and you can teach other people that skill further. So, what will you learn in this course? I'm going to talk about how trading actually works. You will understand what a trade is, you will understand how price moves and how the market functions because the market is so big and there are so many symbols that you can trade, and to be able to understand these things, I'm simplifying it for you in a simple manner so you can you can understand what I'm talking about. And I'm using simple language, simple English for you to actually understand what trading is and how it works. I'm going to also talk about how to think as a trader, the mindset and the discipline and the habits you need, even the food and when to eat and how to eat and the coffee consumption, all these things. I'm going to talk to you about how to become a better trader and how day traders or traders think when they trade, and also how to build the route foundation. And this is what we're going to focus on the first step, the tools you need, the charts you need. I don't want to show you something in number three where you need it in number one. I want to go through every step with you in the beginning so you can have the right tools and the right structure in the beginning, because I know how confusing it is. You had to install some things and enter them in the templates and all these things. I'm going to share it all with you. And number three is what you should expect from trading. You know, many people, right? Let's keep it honest. We enter trading. Why? Because we want money. We see somebody on social media making 8K in 8 minutes, right? It's luring. It's luring us in. That's why most people want to get into trading, because they associate also money with freedom. If I have the money, I am free. So just to keep it honest, trading is a skill and it takes time. Like if somebody makes $8,000 in 8 minutes, maybe it works. Maybe it works for them, but maybe it took them 15 years to master that skill. It's just like a profession. It becomes like you have to learn and practice and make mistakes and grow. It's not something you can just copy from somebody that's doing it correctly. You can copy them, copy their mindset, but you have to eventually go and do it by yourself. And also, to keep it real, losses are part of the process. Losses are part of the success. You know, when I see somebody successful can be subjective to any other person. It's success is different for you when it's different for me, right? When I see somebody successful, my mind directly goes to, man, he must had so many losses because that's how win. You, if you just sit and don't do nothing, you, you you're out of the game. But if you act and take a loss, and you act again and take a loss, and you learn during these stages, you're so much far ahead than the person that didn't do anything. So the more losses, which is a part of trading, you have to lose. It's a guarantee. But then you have to apply correct risk management, as we talked about in the roadmap. You have to apply the principles of correct risk management to be able to lose small and then win big. So the focus is not on the money. The focus is on the process, on the systems, on the cheat sheets that you using, on the habits, on personal development. Because if you're strong outside of the market, you will be strong inside the market. So let's recap a bit. In this lesson, we covered three important ideas. The four-stage roadmap. We are in the stage foundation right now. What you will learn in this course, these steps that I talked about what you will learn in this course, how to read market, how to read analysis, how to adjust your risk correctly, how to stay ahead with the habits, and how to check the news, how to act when there are news in the market, and what you should realistically expect from trading. You know, the realistic expectations from trading, I get so many messages sent to me, like people are ruining their lives by setting so high expectations on themselves. You don't need to just you don't need to focus on how to make 10K a month. Focus on making $50 this week, you know, and take that $50 and pay your electric bill. Just start out there, make it feel real to you. So in this course, it's built and designed to give you the right foundation in the beginning, because I know how confusing and complicated it might seem. All right. So just a short lesson check-in. You now started trading made simple course. Just take a moment to think about, why am I learning trading? Why did I enter this? What's my goal with this? One sentence is enough. Just share it below in the comment section below. And I'm here to tell you, because you're here, hats off to you. Really, because you've taken this seriously and you've taken the first step to perfecting the skill of trading. Like always, if you like this video, feel free to follow me on YouTube, on Instagram, and if you're not following me on my Skool community, feel free to join. On our YouTube, I share videos and content that's not a part of the course and not a part of the community, just me talking and giving my perspective. So talk to you more there, and have a great day. See you on the next video.